Fungicide Focus on 5550 Double Pro. Now, first off, take a look at this. I'm in Lawrence, Kansas here. This is one of the tallest hybrids here. If you remember at emergence time, any of the videos that I talked about this coming out of the ground, it was just okay. And I told everybody that I talked to about this product, just wait. This thing's gonna take off. It's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be dark green. Look at this thing, it's outstanding. This is 5550. If you haven't been out and taken a look in your fields, get out there and take a look. Now, fungicide season's coming up. We're gonna have this as moderate. In our 2020 data, this was 6.14 bushel response. One of the things I love about this is it is rated a 1 for anthracnose stalk rot, so that's outstanding. It's rated a 3 for gray leaf spot, and you're gonna see a really strong uptick in plant health late in the season over a 5678. I don't call this an integrity influencer because it's got very, very good late season plant health. So again, moderate responder, we're gonna treat this as a scouter. If we get a late influx of disease, make sure you get this taken care of. If we stay clean and free of disease pressure, such as gray leaf, probably gonna get away without. So again, 5550, moderate responder. Take a look at this product out in the field. Last year was a shining star. It's looking every bit as good this year right now.